Flex AI was fully updated and reworked for your comfort and profit. As soon as you launch our new mini app, you can create a new pocket option account with Bot's link or make a one-time payment to get the access if you don't want to change the account. The best part of this update is the newest workspace. Set your settings like time zone, charts type, or add your favorite assets. Then just click on the Signals tab. Choose the asset, expiration time, and wait a little bit while the analysis is completed. Get a signal, then open a deal on your pocket option account. It's so easy to start, isn't it? The link is in the description. Don't lose your opportunity. Join now.